All right, what is going on, YouTube? Hope you guys are all having a great day today. So I'm here at Darren's shop and I'm looking at his car, man. I don't even know what I'm looking at.
Well, you can see that there's a gap right there. See the gap?
Yeah.
Oh, watch. No gap. There's a thrust washer that goes right here on between the crankshaft and they call this the cap, bearing cap. Okay. And it's missing.
It's missing?
Yep. I put it in there when I built the engine, I'm positive.
You think too much boost just caused it to like...
I don't know. I think the clutch had something to do with it because it's a twin disc, so it has a lot of pressure pushing this in.
Right. Oh shit. So,
you can see, look, there's something rubbing on there.
Oh yeah, I got some wear marks.
Yeah.
Damn, man.
So hopefully whatever I need, I can get out of that engine.
Alright guys, so right now we just put a engine leveler on here, getting ready to support the engine. Their engine is fully supported by the chains, as you can see. Getting ready to transfer it over to the engine stand. That's a lot of sauce right there. So yeah guys, we're gonna bolt this up, tear it open. Probably gonna get some food here in a minute. There you go.
Alright, we got an engine on stand.
Let's go. Alright guys, so right now we're about to go take a break. We're about to go pick up some burgers, get some lunch in us, and then we're gonna tear that engine down. See you guys soon. As per recommendation by Darren, we got the Foster's with strawberry shake. Trying this shit for the first time. A1. Alright guys, I just removed the Torx bolt securing the PCV assembly. Got that over here. We got a little baggie. Got to label everything, keep it all nice and neat. And continue to take off the accessories. I just removed the vacuum pump with the high pressure fuel pump, the T25 Torx. Got that over here, got a baggie. Darren just got the intake manifold out. Looks like it's everything, yep. So, whole assembly's out. Look at that. Alright, it's kind of hard to see. You guys can take a look inside his valves here. They are pretty clean.
Yep, there's my thrust bearing.
Whew.
You guys see that shit?
Oh shit.
Holy fuck.
That motherfucker came flying out.
It was in my timing section.
Oh nah. Oh.
That means it would have had to went, I don't even know.
Oh my goodness. This next step, remove the head. I'm gonna start taking off these
You're gonna give me head?
T25.
Oh.
We also removed this. It's called the what's it called? The
VVT solenoid.
VVT solenoid. Vikensteigen solenoid, man.
Oh yeah. Look at all the shit on there.
Yeah, it's fucking metal shavings.
Yeah, I have new balance shafts, so they're supposed to be spin soaked well that this part falls to the bottom. Like you hold it and it falls to the bottom. There we go. Ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Vikensteigen,
man. It's about to be Vikensteigen. Oh shit! I don't want to break it. You guys can see his studs. Here you go. It's almost out.
I'm trying to save the head gasket.
came out with the gasket. All right. Is it on the way?
No, it's not in all the way, but it should be turning.
Shit.
I don't want to fuck pull. There we go.
Oh shit. There you go.
Yeah, something's still stopping it though. It's not the pistons, which is good.
Okay.
Pistons are moving smooth.
That's good. Piston's moving.
It's just something that's... Oh, there we go. I went through it. Something's still stopping it though. There we go.
So now
It's like a brand new engine.
now it's going freely?
Yeah.
Now it's on that Weigensteigen. Look at that. Oh shit. Look at that, guys.